We need to do the engineering part, the important part.
Oh.
Mr. Chumina about there, man.
Yeah.
Should I go ask you for your the technical part? How you learn them skills? How you learn the refrigerating?
You know what I'm saying? You learn with the next man.
Yeah, so where you go? So what's a youth want to learn the skill? I mean, youth want to learn.
If I would, you have to come with me, no?
If a youth want to learn the skill,
Yeah.
yeah, because a payable job, because I know other persons will have them fridge and give them problem, you know. And she try to fix it with a Clarendon. And she can't get it fixed, you know. Man come there and look at it and yeah, so you say you not go to hard school, you don't have to go hard for this or no?
No, we not go art school.
So what you call this trade now? What you call the technical the
Refrigeration technician.
refrigeration technician.
Yeah.
See.
Come on the AC too, you know?
Come on AC, oh.
AC refrigeration technician.
AC, so
washing
you
machine.
oh,
Dryer.
are the same person do the washing machine, do the dryer?
Yeah, man.
So you can fix a washing machine?
Yeah, man. Anything.
Anything?
Yeah. But a lot of things that you learn, if you learn, like me now, you come with me,
Yeah.
you learn from me. And then, you know, you adapt based off of what you see me do, and me teach you certain things, you know?
Yeah, so you have apprentice with you now?
No, I mean, I have an apprentice with me now.
Yo, I tell you man, a good thing this for the youth them, cause I want to tell you some youths can get a skill like this, you understand?
A great skill this man.
Great skill.
Never hungry, man.
Never hungry.
Every day people want fridge to fix. Washing machine.
Because this fridge is fairly new though, bro.
Yeah, I see.
This fridge is fairly new, so what did happen to it now? Tell me what I go on.
No, defrost.
Nah, defrost.
Build up thick ice.
I will go on, when it start get problem, I don't know if I in the hurricane, after the hurricane, I know. So what caused that now? Make,
The electronic device will control the fridge will chip out, the condensate. Now work no more, so I have to change that and put in something fresh in it to make it
yeah,
chip out, you see?
so we're good at now.
Yeah man, I fit up right now.
So you know go no run at the back which they have the liquor thing there around there.
No, it depends on
the gas.
the problem what you have, you know.
Yeah.
If you don't have a gas problem, a compressor problem, really a problem, you don't need to grow like that, you know?
So what about like you say when you just move a fridge in a house, you know, plug in the same time, you make it secure down because I used to do removal,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah, it depends on where you carry the fridge. Because if you carry the fridge down upright, pick up like this, you can come and plug in at the same time.
Yeah.
But if you carry it lie down,
Yeah.
then that's why you have to keep it upright for a while.
For a while. How long it have to make it secure? Just estimate. Make it secure.
Yeah. Make it idle, because the idle run out of the compressor down in the system. So you have to give it time, make it idle.
Go back down in the
down, yeah.
Because the oil is important
Yeah man, if
for lubrication. How?
Yeah, no, if the idle run down in the system now, what happen now when you plug in, the compressor go start pump and then the oil down in the system because blockage.
Oh, blocking the like
the compressor go pump it
in here and
in the dryer.
Yep.
And it go block the system. You know?
Alright, the main interest is to get young people to see what you're doing. And I'm sorry, so me never come in earlier when you do your thing. Me never want to disturb you still. And get them to learn the skill, you know?
At one point, me hear so when I teach at school, but I'm not sure. You know, because everywhere we go just like this, people ask me, how me learning skill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you just went with someone as apprentice. And how long it take you for grasp the skill? How long it took you?
It took me 2 years.
2 years.
And then, but you still not learn everything. At the same time, you learn on the job too.
Yeah, you learn
on your own. Because
on your own.
Sometimes the boss not teach you some tricks.
Yeah.
Because when you start much of a work for yourself.
I wonder why sometimes you have to hold something
Yeah,
secret.
yeah.
Yeah, so it's secret.
When you go on your own, now you start learn certain tricks in anything, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
and then you still can't learn everything. Every day a new appliance make.
yeah.
Different technology.
And you have to go read up.
Yeah, but
read
you have
up.
understanding of them.
Yeah.
And then you know you can read up or go on YouTube when you catch up on certain things. You know, you have to teach yourself, you have to upgrade yourself as the things them come in, you know, and you're left behind.
So you have business can't leave with us because you come from a far away. Cause we have no refrigerator technician in the cut. We have one elder man. And he's getting old.
Time, we don't need card number. From left number, yes,
But me I go look so young youth, we I go recommend young youth to go if you contact your face man, go learn a skill, I go learn a trade.
Yeah, man.
So you hold for fridge in your yard, pack up and anything there fix where you rep on.
No, me not deal with
Then thing there.
junk. business.
You don't deal with junk.
No.
You know place a man to go be around at the what you call it? Oh.
No, that's like me just if I walk a whole fridge in the street and I see like something good.
Parts funny, you scrap it, you take parts.
Parts then.
You store the parts.
Right.
And your parts in your yard.
Yeah, I have parts in my yard, but like fridge, me not no space to put the whole fridge.
Yeah, all fridge at the
Machine,
and all this sitting there.
Yeah, I just carry the parts them.
But you have a workshop, you have a workshop though.
No workshop.
You just mobile.
Just mobile.
Alright, yeah.
Just mobile.
Alright. So we get in contact with you because you're gonna leave your number with me and if I don't me put it on my
Yeah, man.
blogging, alright? Alright, thank you bro. But make mistake with
you
that.
have min recommended max. Most people max character max. When you character max, you actually turn down the air frost to go down at the bottom. This control the airflow go from top to bottom. When you put it on max, a less air come down at bottom. So down here so now cool good. When you carry come recommended, I recommend it to stay there so that are the real measurement.
Yeah, yeah.
But if you want it cooler than recommended, you come a min. When you put a min, you get the full amount of temperature. You can't cooler than min.
That is down at the bottom.
Right. Min can't cooler. Down here so they get the coolest.
Yeah, yeah.
Put it on min. When you put your max, you actually turn it down. Remember say actually you know say max are more.
Maximum, yeah, yeah.
So people always make mistake with that. So
Yeah.
I don't know why them believe
Yeah,
it like that.
yeah, yeah.
When you put the max down here so get less. But when you put it on min, you get more.
More than-
so more. So
yeah.
if you stay upon min,
yeah.
if you things actually freeze up like your vegetable
Down
freeze
the
up,
bottom you put
right,
your
you can always come
recommended.
recommended. But
Yes.
anytime you left, go around a max, you're gonna trouble with
We done it so stop
Right.
through, I just
rice
up
and
top.
peas,
Yeah.
not gonna last long.
It
One
go
day.
go off. It go off.
But when you put the min, the rice and peas, you see at least up to all a week.
Well, I have to put it in the freezer.
right.
Because people think they have to put it up top there. Alright.